everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this paper airplane. So let's get started. What you will need is a piece of printer paper. Now what you are going to do is fold the piece of printer paper into a taco. Make sure your corners are very precise. Once you have this, what you are going to do is from the right corner, so this corner, you are going to fold it in like this. And then once you have this, you are going to fold the left corner the same way. Now what you are going to do is fold the right corner over all of the corners that you just folded. Do the same with the left corner. And then you are going to unfold these and notice that you have a little flap that is folded. What you are going to do now is fold the right corner like this, to touch the right corner of the little flap. And then you are going to do the same with the left corner. Once you have this, what you are going to do is fold the corners over the corners like this. And then you are going to fold this little flap over. Now what you are going to do is flip it over, and you are going to fold a center crease in it and make sure that the wings are aligned. It should look like this. And then you are going to fold the wings like this. Make sure they are very precise, and then do it with the other side. And you should end up like this. Lastly, what you are going to do is fold them back in like this, and then fold the tip of the wing up on both sides. And then fold it out, and your paper airplane should look like this. This should be the final product of your paper airplane. There will be a flight test video for this paper airplane coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next time.